The Wolfsnout Off-Road Dust Mask. The free-breathing feeling of the Wolfsnout mask constant ventilation means effortless, cool, clean breathing. The comfort and unrestricted breathing can't be beat. Tens of thousands are in use, from the U.S. military to the U.S. Border ATV Patrol to all types of off-road power sports enthusiasts. And let's not forget the lawn maintenance community, perfect for mowing and trimming. Our masks are routinely used in all of the famous races, including the Baja 1000, Vegas to Reno, Dakar Rally, and many off-road endurance races around the world. The patented under-nose filtering system means your nose and mouth are not confined in the same chamber, and what a difference it makes. This great concept also allows for zero interference and won't fog your goggles or glasses. The perfect fit when combined with a helmet and/or goggles. The one made just for us. Even on those hot, dry days, the constant ventilation fits the bill. Thousands of Wolfsnout users make a bold statement. Find out more about this unique product at wolfsnout.com. Check out our reviews, then order yours today.